In an official blog post, Samsung has hinted that it has started work on image sensors with resolutions as high as 600 MP, which is sharper than the human eye can perceive. The Korean technology giant was among the first to manufacture and use 108 MP ISO camera sensors in smartphones, which appeared in the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra's main camera. That's still below the supposed 500 MP resolution of our eyes, Samsung EVP Yongin Park explained in the company blog post, but a 600 MP sensor could change that. To get there, Samsung is developing ways to pack a high number of megapixels in small sensors. The company has been using nanocell technology, which employs a 3x3 pixel structure compared to a standard 2x2 array. Translation: while other phones use the latter method, called pixel binning or quad pixel, to combine 4 pixels to function as one, the nanocell method combines 9, which could allow 90.8 μm pixels to work like one 2.4 μm pixel. This increases the amount of light absorption that the pixels are capable of while also improving low light performance of the sensors. Step aside, Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, the Xiaomi Mi 10 and Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro also pack 108 MP camera lenses. Technically, the Xiaomi Mi CC9 Pro was the first with the 108 MP camera lens. The Motorola Edge Plus is also rumored to have a 108 MP camera. Sensors for taste and smell beyond high megapixel sensors. Samsung is also researching sensors that can detect wavelengths beyond the human eye's capability, using ultraviolet light, for instance, to detect cancer cells, or infrared sensors for dark light photography. Those applications seem far more capable than using light waves to detect oxygen levels in blood, like the Withings Scan Watch does. Furthermore, the company also indicated that its research scientists would be working on sensors that can register smell or taste. They didn't hint at how, for instance, though this isn't the first we've heard of the concept. A patent suggests a future Apple Watch may be able to detect body odor. Of course, we assume Samsung's 600 MP camera will be headed for smartphones, but the company is expecting to expand its sensors into more devices, per the blog post. It could provide camera sensors for autonomous vehicles, drones, and other IoT, Internet of Things, devices in the future, though exactly when is unclear. Image credit, Ishan Agarwal. When can be expected? Samsung hasn't actually detailed a roadmap as to when we could see these sensors or how it would overcome the challenges towards achieving such high megapixel counts. However, it reiterated that the high MP count trend will continue through 2020 and beyond. It is also possible that 600 MP sensors might not be used in smartphones at all, as there is nothing in the blog post that actually suggests such a possibility. This bit of news comes amidst reports that we could possibly see a 256 MP camera by the end of this year itself. Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra's 108 MP camera will likely take great 12 MP photos. But this will lead to Cold War between mobile manufacturing giants. One day we will have mobile phone that can capture photos and videos as human eye. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe us.